Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Hello. Hi. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. So viewers, this is DIY craft videos signing in. And I am going to share with you a most stunning and very beautiful and very classy sewing craft ideas for you guys. These are super trending and very amazing and very stunning ideas for you guys. Thank you so much guys for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. If you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. These are super stunning and very beautiful sewing craft ideas for you guys. Hope so viewers you liked and enjoyed this video, and if you want different other videos, then you also must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. These are super amazing and these are top trending ideas for you guys, and I hope so guys you enjoyed this video. Follow for more details, keep subscribing my channel, and hope so guys you all are doing well. These are super incredible ideas and very beautiful ideas for you guys. So viewers, thank you for supporting my channel, and thank you so much guys for supporting my channel. So viewers, take care and be happy. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. These are super incredible and these are very pretty ideas for you guys. So take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz guys.